we have to write a FizzBuzz game. So I heard that this is a really common interview question for programmers. We have to print each number from 1 to 100. When it's divisible by 3, should display fizz. When divisible by 5, should display buzz. And when it's divisible by 3 and 5, should display FizzBuzz. These three statements are booleans. So let's go to the flowchart. We have first we have to create a for n in range from 1 to 101. And we create our first if statement. If n, the remainder of 3 will equal 0, and n, the remainder of 5 equals 0. Print FizzBuzz. So one thing is first we have to check Boolean values works like this. If your Boolean value finds out that the first one is true, all the other ones will be skipped. So the first number divisible by 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. With 5, it's 5, 9, 10, and 15. As you can see, if I make the statement like here, I place the first if divisible by 3. When arrives to 15, it will display fizz if I make the first if divisible by 3. My first if should be if is divisible by 3 and 5. So divisible by 3 and 5, and after that I can proceed with the normal n, remainder of 3 will equal 0. Then print fizz, print my fizz. And here, if divisible, if n remainder of 5 will equal 0, print buzzy. Right, and the program can end. It's really interesting to me, this game, this exercise, which it seems that is the most common question, interview question for programmers. This really looks easy in comparison with the previous one, like the one with averages. For loops are really weird to me. I just have to practice. Okay, I'll copy this comments. Let's place them there. Let's make the for loop from 1 to 100. For n in range of 1 to 101, because the last value is not included. Print n. Let's see. Great, we have all the numbers. Now, let's see if. Actually, let me take that off. If n remainder equals with 0 and n remainder 3 and n remainder 5. Remainder is basically division. So if n is divisible by 3 and equals 0 and n is divisible by 5 and equals 0, print FizzBuzz. If n remainder of 3 will equal 0, print fizzy, right? If n remainder of 5 will equal 0, print buzzer. Okay, we have to make the else print n. Okay, let's see. Fizz 5, fizz 6, fizz 9, fizz 10, buzzy 12, fizz 15, FizzBuzz. Beautiful. So beautiful when you see your program working. 99 fizzy. 100 buzzy. It's so beautiful. Let's see if we don't make the else. It will just display the fizz and the buzz and the FizzBuzz. Yeah. Beautiful. This is great. This is done, guys. 8 and 9, FizzBuzz, FizzBuzz. Perfect. So you guys, I'll catch you in the next one with the best. I can't wait to do this bonus exercise. You'll see, it's just a random password generator. I can't wait to do that. See you in the next one. Bye.